friendship has always felt like coming home. We never knew how impactful that first day of kindergarten in 1999 would be, just like that day in June of 2021 when she got a message from the country guy that she had hoped for all along.
Insert Kyle Knopf.
I remember when Kyle first slid into Maddie's DMs, and shortly after, him telling me that he might have found the one. I remember thinking to myself, damn man, slow down. But as I got to know Maddie for myself, it was easy to see how special she really is.
Beautiful, babe.
All right.
Sleep you.
Wow. Baby girl.
You like it?
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
From the day we met Kyle, we knew he was the perfect fit for our best friend. We quickly saw through his actions that he would love her the way that she deserves. Since Maddie has met him, her smile has only gotten bigger. Kyle has a way of making everyone around him feel welcome and important. There was nothing more important to us than Maddie finding a man just like Kyle.
Most of all my fondest memories, good and bad, all have Kyle in them. I never had a brother by blood, but I sure am thankful for the brother I had in Kyle.
Kyle's that type of friend. He's always down for a good time. He makes you laugh even if you just had the worst day. Has stuck up for me in more times than most, and is always there to have your back, no matter when. All right. I thank you, Kyle, for always being there, for being that best friend, the brother that everybody needs in their life.
We got a long night, girl. You having fun? Remember it all.
Kyle and Madison, you two have the opportunity to build an amazing life together. And everyone here in this room knows it, because we've witnessed it. You are blessed to share the experience together here today with all of your loved ones that have come gathered for you, here to support you and embark on this journey together. Take a moment to sense the tremendous amount of love that's radiating throughout this place. As you stand here today, before us and the universe and God, before those gathered here in your honor, and before one another, you need to make sure you take note that after you speak your vows this day, your lives are never going to be the same.
I, Madison, give you Kyle this ring.
I, Kyle, give you Madison this ring as a symbol of my love. As I place it on your finger,
Commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I promise to cherish you for the rest of my days.
I give you all that I am and accept all that you are.
In good times and in bad, in sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Family and friends, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the great state of Ohio, I'm pleased to pronounce Kyle and Madison, now forever known as Mr. and Mrs. Kyle Knopf.
to many years of love and happiness. I love you.
Over the time of our friendship, I can honestly say I've never seen Kyle so happy. Being with you makes him a better person and brings out a better version of himself. We all gained a sister, Maddie, and for that we thank you, Kyle.
Our wish to you is that you have years of dancing in the kitchen, a house full of beautiful babies, endless days of fishing on the boat, and many nights on the porch listening to Dave Matthews and Tyler Childers with a beer in your hand.